Got it brighter. This tractor sucks. It's already coming off the ground. How am I supposed to dig holes if the thing's coming off the ground already?
I've never seen it with the braces underneath like that. Usually they are.
Yeah. That's I wanted what the neighbor rented.
I saw one over there.
Yeah.
The other guy.
So he told me he's supposed to come back. He's supposed to come back yesterday, but he didn't come back. But he said they might bring it back today, and we'll do a swap.
Oh,
The thing is, he's closed. He gave me a cell phone. All he has to do is not to pick it up, and I'm screwed. But I already left him a message. Yeah. Hold on. Wait. Don't touch anything. Say hi. It's you. So your mommy can see it. Say hi. All right. Bought it in May or something. Oh, actually, April. I got it in April. I had 1 month service inspection. $700. 4-wheel drive and just one pass inspection. It runs fine. It won't.
I know someone.
You know someone? Well, you buy the ticket or?
If I get lucky, get for the body shop. You know someone.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate it because I went down the street and. I mean,
it's hard after I'll see what I can do. The video of us going to the hospital.
How did you like it?
That was so cool.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Alright, well I'll have it all weekend. I have the bigger one. You're welcome to come back and dig more holes.
Okay.
The yard's under construction, so it doesn't matter.
We're going to tell them they can come over and go swimming if they get too hot working.
Okay.
Alright, thanks. Cool.
Alright.